Most people don't have a money problem. They have a where did it go problem. Today, we're stripping personal finance down to the basics. No Wall Street jargon, just a plan that actually works. Step 1. The 50/30/20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt. It's the easiest set it and forget it framework for beginners. Before you invest in crypto or stocks, you need an emergency fund. Aim for KSH 1000 first, then 3 to 6 months of expenses. This is your sleep at night money. You can't manage what you don't measure. Whether you're a spreadsheet nerd or an app person, tracking every shilling is non-negotiable. Budgeting isn't about restriction, it's about direction. It's telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Stop doing this. You're budgeting, but your bank account isn't growing. In summary, here are 3 mistakes killing your progress. Mistake 1. Forgetting the small stuff. That $5 coffee or $12 subscription. You barely use ads up to hundreds since they feel harmless and we ignore them. Before you know it, money is gone and you don't know where it went if it's not in the budget. It's a leak. Mistake 2. Being too restrictive. Cutting out all fun sounds disciplined, but it usually backfires. Give yourself a small guilt-free category to stay sane. When enjoyment is planned, you stay consistent and sane. Mistake 3. Ignoring irregular expenses. Things like car registration, insurance renewals, repairs, or annual fees feel random, but they aren't surprises. They happen every year. Plan for them monthly by simply fixing. Save a little each month. When the bill arrives, you're ready. Come covered and still on budget. Budgeting isn't about perfection. It's about awareness and consistency. Fix the small leaks, plan ahead, and give yourself room to enjoy life. If this helped you think differently about money, subscribe for more simple, practical finance tips you can actually stick to.